as before, to make a print, you will need to fold your white piece of paper in half, make a crease near the middle, fold it the other direction, make a crease, and then you'll know exactly where the center is, okay? Then you are ready to print, which I'm just finishing up now. And the first step is to be using this sponge, and you need to squeeze it until the water just stops drooling and dripping out of it, okay? Then you are going to wet just that portion, okay? So right when you're ready to print, you're going to drag it over it, okay? 1, 2, and 3 times, okay? Make sure you get the whole space. And to ensure that I've done that, I like to dip it again. And then again, I squeeze out just enough that it stops oozing water, okay? And then I'm going to wipe it again. I'm gonna try the other direction just so I can be sure I've gotten all parts of it, okay? So that it's fully saturated. Now, what you don't want to do is have any puddles or drips of water on that, because that will cause the marker to come kind of oozing out from that area. Now, in fact, it's a little bit wetter than I'm hoping for. It's got some very shiny areas. So I'm gonna go back and squeeze it out a little bit better, okay? Maybe wipe my hand on my paint shirt or my pants really quick because I was dripping water off my hand. And I'm just gonna try and wipe up some of that very shiny water, okay? But be gentle with the paper. So it's very saturated, but it's just not quite so wet this time. Then you're going to flip this over and be careful not to touch where you have colored. Line up the inner corner. Place it on there. Once it's on there, you can't move it. And then using this big brayer roller, you are going to press it down. So make sure you've got good contact, always holding it in place. And then when you peel it off, you will have your marker print. Pretty exciting. So once you've done your first one, make sure to color this all over again. And then immediately before printing it, you are going and squeezing out the water until it stops oozing, wiping it 1, 2, 3, dipping it, squeezing it, wiping it one more time, and then making sure that it's not got any puddles and you're ready to print. Have fun.